National Fish and Wildlife Foundation was actually a foundation created by Congress back in 1984. And the idea was to be able to create an entity that could form public and private partnerships among federal agencies and private funders to do conservation work across the country. We really wanted to find some very significant corporate anchor partners in the region that we knew also cared about water quality and cared about the bay. Altria then started working with its tobacco producers and then soon opened up a discussion with us about the sustainable wine production as well. Over the last 5 years, Altria has invested $3.6 million into the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation. Proudly, we've been able to leverage that to more than $40 million of work on the ground, almost 10 to 1.
They actually helped us create this cigarette litter prevention program back in the early 2000s when more and more smokers were being forced outside and cigarette litter was becoming more of an issue in communities. We had to teach smokers that this is litter too. And we developed some really very simple strategies to address cigarette litter, and it brings people together in the community to rally around an issue that's important to them, that affects the appearance of their community. I mean, most people want to do the right thing, but if we make it easy for them, they're more likely to do it.
And Altria is exactly the type of partner that's critical for the expansion of the foundation in order for us to do this conservation work across the country.
They're always questioning and pushing us in a very, very positive way to think bigger and to think more strategically. And coming from a corporate perspective, we really appreciate that kind of leadership and challenge on a daily basis.